Hi everyone, it's Christine here from the Clermont County Public Library, and I'm here today to bring you another exciting STEAM experiment. As you may have noticed, I'm wearing my summer reading t-shirt today because guess what? It's almost time for summer reading to begin. Can you believe that? I know, I'm super excited for summer and our summer reading program. This year, our summer reading program's theme is Imagine Your Story. And so I thought, what better way to kick off our summer reading program than with some storybook STEAM activities. So today, I have a special guest with us that's going to help us. This is Humpty Dumpty. You may be familiar with Humpty Dumpty and his story, but if not, let me refresh your memory. As you may know, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty back together again. Now today, Humpty's got a smile, he's doing better, but as you can see, he's still got some scars from that terrible fall. And he's really afraid to climb back up on that wall again, which makes him sad because he loved to sit up there watching the people and the birds. So I need your help today. What do you think? Are you up for a little challenge? Yeah? All right. So today we're going to do an engineering design challenge to see if we can come up with a contraption that will protect Humpty Dumpty if he would happen to fall off that wall again. We don't want him to get any cracks or anything because that wouldn't be so good. So to start with, for our engineering design challenge, we're going to do some brainstorming. So what kind of things do you think we might use to build a contraption for Humpty to protect him? What are your ideas? Oh yeah, we could use a Tupperware container. That's a good idea. What else? A toilet paper tube. Oh yeah, there's probably lots of those laying around if you check your recycling bin. Any other ideas? Oh yeah, you could use some styrofoam cups or bowls, put those together. Yeah, even something as simple as a Ziploc bag would all make good containers for our contraption. Once you decide on your container, then we need to start thinking about what to put in it to kind of cushion Humpty if he would happen to fall. So what are some things that we could put inside our container? Yeah, cotton balls, that's a great one. What else? Shaving cream? Oh, that might work. That'd be a try. Might be a little messy, but you could. Crumpled up paper, yeah, another great idea. Marshmallows? Hey, anything's possible. And I'm sure if you start looking around your house, you'll find all kinds of other ideas. So that's your first step. Brainstorm and come up with the ideas for what you want to use. Once you know what you want to use, your next step is to make a sketch. So I'm going to show you my sketch. In your sketch, you want to make sure you include the materials, how you're going to put them together, and where you're going to put the egg. So I decided I was going to use two plastic cups that you could see drawn here, one on the bottom, one on the top. In the bottom cup, I put pom-poms. And in the top cup, I lined it with multiple layers of bubble wrap. And now I'm going to set my egg right inside kind of the middle of the pom-poms. I'm going to kind of squish them down to make a little nest. And I'm going to put the cups together, and I'm going to use some masking tape to secure it. We don't want it to pop up open and have Humpty Dumpty fall out if he happens to fall. And that's it. That's my sketch. I showed, again, what materials I'm using, how I put them together, and where I'm going to put the egg. All right. Once you finish your sketch, then you're ready to start building. You'll gather your materials and actually put it all together. And let me show you my contraption. So here it is. It looks just like the picture I drew. I have two plastic cups. I put my pom-poms in the bottom one, and the top one here has my bubble wrap. And I can open and close it and secure it. I've got masking tape on both sides. And that's it. All right. So my contraption is ready. What do you think? Do you think it's going to work? I hope so. I don't know. Let's see here. Humpty doesn't look too sure. I think he's a little bit nervous. So once you've got your contraption ready, you're going to get a raw egg, which is our Humpty Dumpty test subject, and you're going to situate it in your contraption. So I'm just going to stick mine down right in here and my pom-poms. You got to make sure he's nice and secure. And I'm going to take and I'm going to close the top over with the bubble wrap. And I'm going to tape him down and make sure it's good and secure. And you're ready for the next step, which is to test your contraption and see if it actually works. Whew, I'm a little nervous about this part. All right, so we're going to drop it now from about 4 feet. Okay, so Humpty has a couple walls he likes to sit on. The lowest one is about 4 feet, so that's where we're going to start. Now, I do suggest when you do this, you either go outside if it's a nice day or put down a garbage bag just in case we have an accident. So, are you guys ready? Well, like I said, I'm a little nervous here. So I'm going to hold it, again, about 4 feet off the ground. And I'm going to drop it on the count of 3. So can you help me count? Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it bounced off my bag. All right, so looking at the outside, I don't see anything major. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open it up. And we're going to check and see how Humpty did. Here we go. All right, so I'm looking at the top. Humpty looks okay. I don't see any new cracks. If I gently lift him out and check the bottom, Humpty looks good. My contraption worked. No cracks. So look at that. Humpty's a happy Humpty Dumpty. Now, if your contraption worked at 4 feet, there's a couple other walls that are taller, so I suggest that you try it at a little bit higher distance. So instead of 4 feet, try lifting it up to 5 feet or 6 feet and continue adding height until Humpty cracks. See how high you can go. If, however, yours didn't work at 4 feet, that's okay. That happens quite a lot in the engineering design process. We just have to look at what may have gone wrong and try and fix it and try again. So look at your contraption and think, what could I do to make it better? Make those adjustments and then keep trying. Don't give up. Keep trying until you create a contraption that keeps Humpty safe in a fall. So I hope that you will try this engineering challenge. I know Humpty is really counting on you to make a good contraption for him. And of course, make sure that you share with us what you did. Take a picture of your contraption or let us know how high you were able to get it before it cracked. We love to hear from you.